Labs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be doing a creative video.
In a previous video, we went out and got the public's view on who they thought a medical technologist is. If you haven't seen that video, just click the link in the description below.
So guys, we weren't pleased with the responses we got from the public. So we decided to come up with a creative way to introduce to you guys who we are as
Medical Technologists. Don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe. 5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Let's go. Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells. Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells. Come in at the lab, make we tell you where you have. Bring your urine faces and your nose swab. We are gonna plate it and then incubate it.
work up on it till we identify.
Cause Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells. Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains syphilis. Bet you never know how we do all of that, and we not even start about the blood bag. We have to cross match the blood, make sure say it's safe before we transfuse it in any case.
ABO compatibilities a must, so we can't even forget about the resource. Pregnant mothers, learn about that because your baby life will depend on that.
Cause Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells. Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells.
Come make we examine your body chemistry. One bread, one pepper, one grapes, and please test your glucose and HB1C. Cause diabetes prevalent in our country.
We have immunology, we do the hormones, T3, T4, testosterone, LH, FSH, progesterone. We can tell you with an IRO. Medtex, we do the test,
HIV and syphilis.
Medtex,
We can tell if your blood contains sickle cells.
Medtex, we do the test, HIV and syphilis. Medtex, we can tell if your blood contains sickle cells.
Hope you learned something from this song. Help us bring awareness to our nation.
We are